students. Mr. O, your substitute teacher here. I wasn't expecting to see you. I thought it was time for recess. Hey, you've been doing great today. Why don't you go out on recess? Okay, now that the students are on recess, what Mr. O really wants to do is hungry. With all this social distancing, we're not going out to eat. So I'm gonna go raid the kids' leftover Halloween candy, Easter basket candy, and anything for their Valentines. Now this is known affectionately as the parent tax. Let's see what we got. Oh, lollipops, hard candy, peppermints, all the good candy is taken. Now what are we gonna eat? Do you hear that? Do you hear that? It sounds like a circus or a carnival. Makes me think about cotton candy. Wouldn't it be nice if we could take all of this and turn it into cotton candy? Where does candy come from? Does cotton candy grow on trees? Well, not on this tree. It's an orange tree. Not on a mesquite
Only oranges grow on.
Mesquite pods grow on mesquite trees. Well, does cotton candy grow on Palo Verde trees? Apparently, yes. Cotton candy grows on Palo Verde trees. Cotton candy doesn't really grow on trees. It comes from cotton candy machines, like this one. And it's not always called cotton candy. In other parts of the world, it's called cotton floss or fairy floss. This is dental floss, and you should floss your teeth, especially if you're gonna have all this delicious candy. Now, while this machine is warming up, we'll tell you how it actually works. Most cotton candy machines use floss candy to make their cotton candy product. However, this one is specifically designed to handle hard candies. Some hard candies like Jolly Ranchers go in just fine. Remember all that Halloween candy and Valentine candy that I was getting through? If it's round like a lollipop, you sometimes have to crush it. You can crush it manually with the pliers. Watch your ears. Or we can do something heavy like a sports car. So how many of you want to see Mr. O do this manually with the pliers? And how many of you want to see me run this over with a sports car? Looks like you guys voted for sports car. Let's take it out to the garage while this is warming up. Okay, we're gonna take all that hard candy and instead of crushing with pliers, we're gonna use a sports car to do it for us. Okay, buckle up. We got a road ahead. We are ready for some cotton candy making round 2. Making cotton candy is hot, so make sure you have a grown-up doing this. This thing has got to be pretty hot. Stay away. Got our fire extinguisher here just in case. Let's heat this thing up. When you pour sugar into the center of the cotton candy machine, the coils inside heat the sugar to its melting point, breaks the bonds of the constituent molecules. The hydrogen and oxygen atoms rearrange to form water. That water molecule rapidly evaporates, leaving only carbon behind. The carbon burns and the sugar begins to caramelize. As the sugar caramelizes, its container spins at a speed of nearly 60 revolutions per second. There are tiny holes on the sides of the spinner, and centrifugal force flings the strands of the hot liquid sugar to the sides of the bowl out those small, tiny holes, or perforations. This creates a pressure drop, and the rapid pressure drop has a corresponding temperature drop. This turns that molten syrup solid as soon as it meets the relatively cool air outside the container. This makes for cotton candy filaments. The filaments or floss are just 50 microns in diameter. Multiply those filaments by the 1,000 and you get the delicate mass of delicious cotton candy. So we now have a raspberry, blueberry, peppermint, and all those other leftover candies together. And I can taste every one. So that is how you can take the leftover Halloween, Easter, Valentine candy, and make a delicious treat at home and enjoy some science. From a safe social distance, this is Mr. O your substitute teacher. Keep calm. Get go on.